Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make radish and cucumber salad. This is great in the summertime. Really, it's nice and refreshing. First thing you want to do is remove the radishes from the leaves and cut off the roots. And of course you want to drop them off in a colander. This way you can rinse them off nice and easy. And you want to slice them. You don't want to do it too thin or too thick. Try to do it as evenly as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect though. You could even use a mandolin if you want, but these are a little small. Not that easy to cut on the mandolin. You see they're cutting off nicely right now. I didn't cut the root off all of them. I missed a few. There you see. Cutting them is nice and easy. You always want to be careful when cutting because you don't want to cut yourself. And now the cucumber, you just want to slice it. Yeah, so you don't want to do it too thin or too thick. It doesn't be too evenly as possible. And of course you do want to wash the cucumber before you start cutting it. Pretty easy to cut. You want to take some Italian dressing or any vinaigrette and some dillweed. Now I do recommend using fresh dillweed, but I couldn't find any. I have to use the dry. And just add it all to a bowl, pour dressing on it. Give it a stir. Now I did add a little too much cucumber, so I ended up taking a few out. As you see, it's mostly cucumber. So you only really need one cucumber, not two, like I did here. And there you go, you got yourself a radish and cucumber salad. It's a great in the summertime treat. Now I do hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy the food. Thank you for watching.